Good evening, I'm Giuseppe Basile, I'm the Anderson Trader. You can find at the website www.fibstalkertrading.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the fibstalker nickname. Good evening, today is Sunday, May the 24th, 2015. It's 20 past 11 p.m. time in Toronto. That's GMT minus 4 hours. This is the Eastern time. And in this video, I'm going to review for you the 13 markets I follow, and I start right away with the euro. We know that the euro is in this move lower here, and we also notice a sequence of measure move last few weeks here, and we had this level trading into the first and second target, and then we had the next level trading into the first target, and then eventually the sequence failed. And to my student, I gave two levels to follow for last week. The first one was tested on Thursday last week, and the second one was tested on Friday. And we know that this first target was hit, and this market has a potential second target here, but at the moment is testing the old way halfway back. So we will know whether this market continues lower or not, depending on the kind of participation you're going to get in this market, in this area, starting at 109.65 to 108.45. So congratulations to those who took this short here to a first target. It was a good 5 reward to this trade here. Let's move into the SP500, another new in this market. We know that this market is pushing higher. We have the October call setup here. We also had a setup at the middle of December, and that setup broke price into the first target, and now we have a new setup here at 2032, which has targets higher. So this market is still moving high. There's no reason to sell this market. Moving to the dollar index, this market has been responding nicely to a level that I gave well before the fact here, with a few weeks in advance. That was the high to high here, an extension long for this market, which is actually at the moment has put a stop to this a move lower in the dollar index. As you can see, the market went higher, and it has opened higher this week as well. So there is a potential for this market to find resistance at 96, 97 here level, and depending on whether 97, 87 is pierced on the upside, we will know whether the dollar will continue higher, which means that the euro will continue lower, or if this 97 level is going to push again the price lower for a second test of that 93.55. Moving to gold, we know that gold is in this area of potential participation long on the weekly, and the market has been moving higher, and we know that this market is somehow linked to the balance sheet, European bank balance sheet for some reason, and we don't understand fully the reason. That's not the kind of analysis I do. I don't look at intermarket at the intermarket relations because it's something that I don't believe it can be trusted. But at the moment, the euro will tell us whether this market can actually continue higher, and it's now testing this 1201, or if it's going to again retest lows here and see what is going to happen. Below 1194, we're going to check also what happens this price just below at that 1187 before declaring a continuation lower. Of course, there is this participation at this 1226 level, which is pushing price lower. The US dollar versus Japanese yen here has been respecting these last two levels, 116 here, and most recently 118, 119 here, which is pushing price higher. So we will see whether this market will be will continue to push higher above previous highs into the first target of this measure move now that has been respected from end of March till actually mid of May here with this huge bar last week, which is going to push price higher. Moving to the euro versus Japanese yen. We know that this market has not tested the 122 here, and at the moment is actually respecting. Last week has been respecting another level, which is an extension short here. And as you can see, this extension short, which we identified only after the fact, I'm not maintaining here that I was capable of identifying this before. But price discovery can be very useful because if this market retests this 136.36, now we can trade it right into that 122 level. And now I look at how the first target of this extension short lines up with that level. Moving to the pound versus Japanese yen. This market has been a surprise, and last week has printed higher highs here. I was looking for a new retest of the next measure move long on the weekly, but that never happened. As you can see here, the market was picked up at these levels here. So another potential extension here is trading, and this could be this high to high here. As you can see, lines up perfectly. So that's what algorithms are using at the moment. So there's the possibility for this market to continue higher into that first target, 196, and then even higher into 207 there. Of course, we don't know whether that is going to happen or not. If the sequence of measure move fails on this move higher, we are going to see another retest of that level. Moving to the pound versus the US dollar here. This market also has corrected like all the market to trade against the dollar last week, and this market is actually using a past extension short here probably at the moment that we need to find. I'll do my analysis, full analysis, to find the next measure move here. There is also the possibility, of course, for this market to just resuming the move higher and trade into the 158.88, especially if that move higher of the dollar index is not going to continue. We don't know that. It's also possible that this is the high for this market, in which case there is probably another anchor that is actually pushing this price lower. With the Australian dollar versus the US dollar, this market actually went very close to test that next measure move on the weekly time frame, and it's now retesting again that area of potential support here, which initially picked up this price. But it's also possible that this price is being actually moved by algorithms that are using another anchor. And again, this is still something that we identify after the fact, but it's equally powerful, because if the market actually corrects again into that level, we know that there is some potential resistance there. There's also another area that we have to look at in this market, and it's a ambush level long here. So we need to see whether this area here is capable of pushing price higher. And as you know, I never guess, because I use the Phipps Talking Timing technique to time these areas. So I never buy blindly. We always test that the sequence of measure move on the opposite side here, which is the scatter trend move lower, is actually breaking and offering a confirmation for a continued move higher. This market, on the other hand, the New Zealand versus US dollar, has been pushed the last few weeks, and we know that it has a target at 69.23. So that's where I see this market continuing for the coming weeks, and the reason for that is that a potential area of support, it's only just below that first target. So That should be quite straightforward here, but we will see how this market behaves. Moving to the US dollar versus Canadian dollar here, the area that I've been monitoring in the last 2 months, more than 2 months here, has been capable of sustaining price for 3 weeks, and then last week with the weakness we saw, sorry, with the strength that we saw in the dollar, this market has resumed its move higher. So the next weeks we will tell us whether this market is capable to react higher into this 126.28 level again and even above. Of course, below 118.75 everything changes, and I'm going to look at full retrace for this market. So hopefully any opportunity, any rally below that level is going to be a buy. So we don't know what's going to happen here, and we're going to wait. The euro versus the Canadian dollar has been obviously behaving like the euro versus US dollar. There is this 143.10 level here, which is a potential level of participation, but this market actually reacted to another level that we had identified already, and the market has shown a number of times a reaction from that level. The first time 3 weeks ago, then 2 weeks ago, the market went into that level as well, and then at the beginning of the week we saw this move lower. So there is a possibility for this market to just continue lower into the next measure move. So I will remove that level for now. The next measure move is 126.83. Moving to the US dollar versus the Swiss franc here. This market has actually broken the all the way halfway back here. It's now reacting, and it has the potential to react all the way into the halfway back here before, I believe, a continuation lower. It's also possible for this market to stop at the next measure move here, which is very close, and could be tested today for a continuation lower, today or tomorrow morning, Monday the 25th. And finally, the Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar, very technical market. I'm looking for a retest of 110.60. It also depends on the sequence of measure move. Very, very technical market, and I've been following the sequence here. There is an extension here, which we could identify well before the fact. Well, the same day it happened here, but then it gave a setup also on May the 5th, went to the first, and then eventually reached the second target. And with more than 1 week in advance, we will identify the next level, which has been touched on Friday and is being played at the moment. So there is a possibility for this market for a continuation right into that second target, 110.64 here. Before I go, let me remind you that these are the last days of my May 2015 FIP Stalker promotion. I'm offering the FIP Stalker Methods Coaching Program for a price that you will not see in the future, and this is over 70 hours of step-by-step video lessons, and that's for the study part, but I also do 8 webinars of 4-hour plus duration in which I answer all your questions. I have a one-to-one mentoring as well of 2 hours during the course, and of course I'm going to open up all my strategies, the way I time the markets, all my research applied to Forex and other high volume markets in which the algorithms are present. So it's not a course, it's a program that has been designed to change the way you look at the markets and the way you trade the markets, trading the markets like the elite 5%. There are 4 things I'm offering to my newsletter subscribers that no one else will receive: a $250 discount, 2 free bonuses, winning with algos in modern markets, and all my premium webinars. We'll also offer 2 one-to-one reviews with me of 1 hour during the course and at the end of the program as well. And I'm throwing in a $1,000 worth Flipstalker intraday system, which I'm disclosing for the first time. So this is the payment. You also have an option in 4 monthly installments. This trading is only trading coaching program is only for retail traders. I do not accept companies or people who actually run other trading services. So that's only to help retail traders to improve their trading. So I hope I'll see you here. This offer expires next Saturday, so if you want to participate, this is the right time to do it. Go to the link I have in the newsletter and click here to place your secure order. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching this video review. I wish you a great evening and a great trading and non-trading week. If you are interested in my coaching program, you can go to www.flipstalkertrading.com and click on Discover, and you will discover all the content and also the uniqueness of my Flipstalking timing technique, which I use to programmatically and procedurally test counter trend moves into level and areas of low risk entry. Thank you very much and have a great evening. Bye bye now.